Welcome to Gaming Fan Channel. In today's video, I have a straight update for you guys, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you how Mr. Raymond, someone who Jeffery Benson promoted, got exposed. In fact, he has been arrested for fraud which he did to somebody. I greet you, mentor. Now, this video will be very, very interesting, and also you are going to learn a lot from me because all that glitter is not gold. I will see you when I come back. Don't go anywhere.
Chemist Frank is a content creator on YouTube. Hurry now and subscribe to his YouTube channel. If you didn't subscribe now, I will take your stop loss.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I greet you, mentor. No be you. Touch that account flipper. No be, yes, that guy. I greet you, mentor. Now, some of you attacked me when I talked about Mr. Raymond, someone who Jeffery Benson promoted in the past. I saw the guy showing account of $33,000 profit he made from taking a signal from Jeffery Benson. I saw that video. I discussed it here on this YouTube channel. You can check my videos. I boldly said on the screen that I don't believe that. I do not believe it. It's a personal opinion. And some of you were attacking me on the comment section. Now, let me say this before I proceed. Anytime you watch my video here on YouTube and you don't feel comfortable with it, okay, and you want to drop a harsh comment, please don't drop it on my comment section, okay? Carry that comment, okay, straight to your village square. You can drop it around your village square or somewhere around the market, because that will be the exact place that comment will be needed. You can make your argument with constructive words without throwing shade or throwing insult to the presenter, which is myself. So please let us be civilized, okay? Now today, that same Raymond which you attacked me, that guy, no be you, the other guy, yeah, you attacked me for discussing on my channel, has been exposed. And in fact, he's under police custody as we speak. What did he do? You will find out what he did as you watch the video to the end, okay? Now, I have a few things to say, especially to Jeffery Benson himself, because he brought the Raymond to the timeline, all right? Jeffery Benson has influence. Forget Forex trading. Forget making profit from buying GBP USD, SAE USD, and all of that. Jeffery Benson as a person has influence. This influence is so powerful that if Jeffery Benson picks you today, take you to his office and mention your name that you are his PA or you are his tight friend, you don't blow with that. That's how powerful his influence is. Similar to Happy Forest. If Happy Forest takes Chemist Frank, for instance, even though I don't blow already, but if Happy Forest should say, okay, pick me, just like Dapo Willis did. Dapo Willis gave me his power, his influence, bringing me to the world. You saw how powerful that was. So these guys have this influence. They are so strong. So if they should just come and say, okay, I want to change your life today, or I want to make you popular, they can do that in a second. Just by posting you once, or even snapping a picture with you, they can do that. That was how he brought Raymond to the timeline. He did that on a business purpose, and I will explain to you. Raymond chatted Jeffery Benson and said he made profit from his signal. All right, he sent a video showing profits, how he made profit trading Jeffery Benson's signal. Now, Jeffery Benson, being a businessman, understands what that video will do to his mentorship programs. All right, now he just copied the video without checking or verifying whether Raymond is even genuine with his claims. Do you understand? But his interest as a businessman, which is still okay, because every businessman will want his business to grow. So he said, you made this profit from my signal. Wow, this is good. He posted Raymond. You get the point. He carried that video, posted Raymond. This guy made profit from my signal. Are you seeing it? Come and buy my VIP, or come and buy my mentorship program. Can you see that people are making money from my signal? Can you see? That was a way to promote his mentorship program. And also favoring Raymond, giving Raymond that popularity Raymond wanted. That is that public figure. Now today, Raymond is becoming a threat to the Forex society. Do you see that? Now Jeffery Benson is hiding his face because he will not want to associate with that kind of person. So in summary, because I'll still play a video, I have someone here who will still address this matter. So just watch the video from now to the end, because it's going to be kind of lengthy to some extent. You guys should now be careful the kind of people you bring up to us, because you guys have this influence and so many people follow you guys. Just the same way you guys brought consumer traders to us. Jeffery Benson and Happy Forest Many people joined Consummate because of these two guys. I must be honest. You see, now when Consummate wanted to collapse, two of you withdrew. You'd be like, these people don't have reputation, this blah blah blah, and we are also withdrawing from them. We joined you guys because we saw your names. So you guys should also be careful the kind of material and personalities you bring into the space. Alright? So that will be all for my own part of the story. I'm going to play a short clip now about a guy who is actually also lamenting bitterly about this. However, watch this clip and see how Raymond was arrested. Check this out.
Many of you should be able to remember this guy Jeffery Benson posted sometime late last year.
Bro, made $140,000 with my signals.
Signals today. I made over $100 million from my $300. What's $100 million? Bro, you just made $140,000. That's close to 200 million naira, bro. 100,000 is 160 million right now. So, I mean, that's crazy. Shish. So, guys, stop playing. Raymond.
Well, it turns out he's a big-time scammer. And after he absconded with some money I gave him to trade, I was able to track him down and get him arrested.
Come here. Give me the small phone. Give me the small phone.
Enter that place, sorry.
Give me the small phone.
Give me the phone.
No, it's mine.
Bastard.
Give it to me.
Wait,
The matter is now in court, but that's a story for another day. I was able to gain access to that his trading account. All the results he used to post on Instagram back then were all fake. And yeah, he's now a profitable trader. I checked all the details of the account. He had lost about $17,000, most of which was not his own money. Covering he was an untalented Forex trader. He decided to just start straight up running away with people's money. So once you send him money, he withdraws it and it's gone, like he said in our chat. But again, like I said, I'll tell the full story one day. The case is in court right now. The next date is a couple of days away. I'm making this video to reach out to anybody. If you have fallen victim to this scammer, to this guy, or you know somebody who has lost money to this Raymond guy, you can reach out to me. All my social media handles are the same. Just send me a DM and let's chat. I created a new account for my Forex persona online. Forget about the face filter now. My face is not important. When I'm comfortable, I would reveal my identity. But for now, that's not really important. If you know anybody that's fallen victim to this guy's scams, just send me a message.